Let's see how we can design this interactive input box in Figma. First press T to add text for adding placeholder for the text box and adjust the font. Then press Shift A to add auto layout and align it to left. Then add stroke and set the color. Then duplicate the element by pressing Alt click. Then edit the text and add a line to it and duplicate the layer again. Then delete the line from this element and select all three elements and create a component set. Now go to prototype and attach the first element to second and set the properties to on click. Then select the second element and attach to third element and set the properties to after delay 400 milliseconds with smart animate. Then select the third element and attach to second element and set the same properties as above. Now to see the prototype, create a frame and copy the component of the frame and create a flow point. Now press here to start the flow and done. You can see it working. Thanks for watching.